Good morning, everyone. This is a recording to try to help you get through the review problem since we're not going to get to have class today. I've never done this before, but I'm trying it out. I'm using my iPad. Okay, I hope everyone had a good weekend. Here is the first problem on your review packet, so if you don't have it, you might want to pause this, take it out. Okay. All right, so the first problem is a high-low problem, and we know that the first thing we need to do is find the high level of activity and the low level of activity. All right, so these numbers are all very close, but if you look carefully, you'll see the high level of activity is February, and the low level of activity is January. Okay? All right, next thing we want to do, change in cost divided by change in activity. Okay, so the change in cost is the high minus the low. So our high here is 37,098 and the low is 36612. Okay, we're going to divide that by the change in activity. Change in activity is 4833 minus 4743. Okay, so that gives us 486 over 90, or $5.40 per machine hour. All right, so the $5.40 per machine hour is our variable cost. All right, so remember, next thing we're going to do, we're going to plug that back in to the high and the low to find our fixed cost. Okay, so we're going to take our $5.40, multiply it by 4833, and that gives us 26098. That's the total variable cost at high. Call this high. Okay, and then subtract that from the total cost at high to get our fixed cost at the high. So total cost at high is 37098 minus 26098 equals 11,000 total fixed cost. Okay. We're going to do the same thing at the low to make sure that it's right. So at the low, take the 540, multiply it by 4743. And that gives us 25,612 total variable cost at the low. Subtract that from 36612, which is our total cost, 25612, and that gives us 11,000. Okay. All right. So our cost formula. I ran out of room, so I'm going to put another piece of paper here. So our cost formula. And make sure you write everything down and label it. Our cost formula is 11,000 per month plus 540 per machine hour. Okay, so that's our cost formula. 11,000 per month plus 540 per machine hour. Okay. Now they want us to estimate how much maintenance cost we would have in a month when there are 5,000 machine hours worked. So we're going to take our 11,000 plus 540 times machine hours and plug in the 5,000 machine hours. Okay? And that's going to give us $38,000. And if you look up at the top, we check that number. It looks like it's about right, 38,000, because we don't have any months where we worked 5,000 machine hours. That's a little bit higher than our history. So we know the cost is going to be a little bit higher, and 38,000 is right in the vicinity. Okay, so that's the first review problem for your exam.